And we just found out a couple weeks ago that this piece will be sung by the Opus Honor Choir in November of next year, which is kind of the top of the food chain. So we feel pretty proud of ourselves that we are doing this piece. Laudate Domini.
Season, and if I claim to be a wise man, horse will win a fortune. But I hear voices say